Here's 2309, Extreme Pottery fans' favorite cab car.
You gotta leave the bell on longer than that, Ron.
They actually, believe it or not, reach the edge of the platform, so they don't have to. Correct me if I'm wrong on that.
No, you have to.
Woo! That ain't obvious.
69.99 East, that's hot though.
Yeah. Woo!
Orange.
Woo! Ah, shaving haircut, nice. YouTube, for the heck of it, I'll do a little video profile 3751. Nice tender with it saying Santa Fe 3751. You can see people giving a tour of the engine. I gotta raise the pride buckets. People getting their shots of this awesome steam engine. Beautiful is all I can say. One beautiful steam engine. At least I'm not foaming over it like I was in 2010, YouTube. I'll bet I was pretty effed up in the time, if you ask me. Might as well steer head on into this baby. Beautiful steam engine. Go alongside here. And YouTube, what a freaking beauty. Woohoo! How's it going, YouTube? We're at San Bernardino Railroad Days here. Got a nice Jevo in front of us here. Straight pottery fan, I'll be right back. I realize you gotta go in on this side. Which I gotta admit is pretty kick-ass. This engine, by the way, YouTube, is 6968. Woo! Wow, beautiful. Looks like nothing in there, YouTube.
That's what I said when I was your age.
It's pretty amazing, YouTube.
It can happen.
It's too bad there's no stereo in here.
Yeah.
This is what I call one awesome steam engine. Haven't I seen you before?
I don't know if you,
What's your name?
Jim?
Jim, aren't you the event recorder?
Okay.
Dean is my name. I'm Andros51 from YouTube.
Oh, right, okay.
Jim, you
I
got
recognize your voice now.
Yeah, Jim, you got the best videos on YouTube. God bless you, man.
Oh, thank you.
You bet. Pretty amazing cab right here, YouTube. Pretty amazing, YouTube. I'll end it right here. All right, YouTube, I'm going to do a little walkthrough tour of the gen set that they got here, engine 1309. Figure I'd do this. As you can see, 3751 on display, YouTube. Oh, are we allowed to come in? Are we allowed to come on in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just keep the door closed, keep it cool in here.
That's fine.
We can work up to 12 hours.
No argument. So this is the gen set locomotive cab, huh?
Between shifts.
Pretty amazing.
You know, you can work midnights one day and afternoons the next day.
Pretty amazing.
Mornings the day after that.
So you
pack a lunch, a dinner,
pretty
jackets,
amazing.
and whatever you think you're going to need for the day.
YouTube, I think it's self-explanatory. There's the reason. All right, YouTube, here comes a cab ride of 3751. Thank God I got the strength to do it.
You don't have very much.
YouTube, if this is not fine steam at its finest, I don't know what is. Holy crap, this is awesome. Woo! I never thought I'd get 3751 my cheering.
You're very welcome to move over.
You get everyone in the cab. Watch.
YouTube, this is what I call an awesome cab. Firebox 2, pretty awesome. Alright, YouTube, I'm going to get 3751 a little blower. Awesome.